Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Shivada Jade Gemstone in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for a crafting table. It looks like this one right here, so this is a crafting table. Go near it and then press F to interact with it, like so. So here are all the items you can craft in this crafting table. Here's search for Shivada Jade Gemstone, which is right over here. Click on it. As you can see, the crafting materials required are 3 Shivada Jade chunk. So if you have these items, just click on this craft button right here. As you can see, crafting this is going to cost me 2700 Mora. To confirm it, just press on this confirm button and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!